Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Sapil. Brand Sapil is a subsidiary or a branch of the House of Swiss Arabian from the United Arab Emirates. They've been around for 50 years and they make amazing fragrances, especially for what you pay and what you get. The ratio for what I pay and what I get is amazing. Most of the time is excellent. So when I saw this Sapil for under £15 in United Kingdom, you can find it under £15. I had to see what is like and bring them to your attention. So this one is called Sapil Disclosure for Men Editor Toilette 100 ml. And before I do the unboxing, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons, subscribe, like, comment. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your support will take this channel a long way and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much for your support. Let's go. So sorry about the noise. Okay, nice box, green with some sort of design on it. It says disclosure. So attention to this is again very good for under £15. Here we go. Come on, Sapil. Making it so hard. Come on. Sorry about that. Okay. This was the seal. The seal was a problem. Okay. Anyway, damaged it a little bit. So again, a simple bottle, classical, nothing to shout about, but it does the job perfectly, which is giving us the juice. Disclosure for Men Sapil. The cap is plastic and the atomizer is modern. Here we are. Very good atomizer, surprisingly. Okay, here we go. First impression for Sapil. Disclosure for Men Editor Toilette 100 ml under £15. How is the smell? Oh, this is nice. Very nice. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, so it given me Fahrenheit feel. Okay, Fahrenheit by Dior, yes, but fresher. Okay, so if Fahrenheit had a fresh one, say Dior Fahrenheit Fresh, this is the one. Yeah, so the citruses are bigger here. The green earthiness is bigger, but the leather is toned down, and that gasoline feel, that petroleum feel is toned down. It's still there to some extent, but it's not as big as Fahrenheit. Yeah, so the combination of the violet and the leather in Fahrenheit gives that rugged leather, petroleum. Sometimes some people say like what do you call it, petrol feel, gasoline feel. Here is toned down, but you can still smell it, you can detect it. Very woody in the base. It's quite fresh, so as I said, it's like a Fahrenheit but fresher. So if you want the fresher Fahrenheit, this is amazing. Fahrenheit itself is an acquired taste, but today many people basically consider it a masterpiece. I am one of those people. I love Fahrenheit, but unfortunately these days if you go and buy Fahrenheit, it's watered down, it's very weak, it's reformulated to death. and things like this comes along, and it validates buying something like this, because this is under £15. It doesn't break the bank, but at least it gives you some part of the fragrance, which is Fahrenheit, which many people adore and love. Yeah, so basically Fahrenheit but fresh air, more citrusy, more green, little bit of earthiness, there's backbone of woodiness, and also that leather is here, petroleum is here, gasoline is here, but it's toned down, it's not as strong, it's not as prominent as Duo Fahrenheit. So I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm very happy, and the good thing about it is you can use it all year round. You can use it casually because it's, you know, the price is right, under £15, and you can use it to work. You can use it, you know, casual. You can use it every day. It could be easily somebody's signature scent, which is very good. It's got a minimum amount of sweetness, which is come from the fruits and the citruses here. Not much, 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest. This is around 3 to 4 in terms of sweetness, so it's very minimalistic, but it is there just to lift it, to give it a little bit of sweetness and make it more palatable. Very good. I'm loving it. I absolutely recommend it. If you like this kind of fragrances, definitely this is quite good on the £15. It is a no-brainer. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. In the next video I'll let you know the longevity, the development, things like that, but for now, yes. If you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are very artistic, very unique, very intriguing, amazing value for money, but you need to live in a kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links in the description as well. Thank you very much as always, and I see you later. Bye.